Good morning, all. I'm going to take nomenclature of organic compounds. Millions of organic compounds are there around us. So, in order to identify them properly, we should know how to nomenclature them. That is, nomenclature means naming in a scientific manner. The rules are given by IUPAC. IUPAC means International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. So if you know these rules properly, you can identify any compounds and you can name any compounds. No need of by heart in the name of any compounds. So let us first see the rules of it. Okay, so first the IUPAC system of nomenclature, what you should understand is how an organic compound is constructed. It can be a straight line compound. It can be a cyclic compound. We know all this, right? Now, in a straight line compound, a common way of representing a compound, I will show you. CH3, CH. If I'm writing CH3, CH, CH2, CH. I'm going to add something here. That is why CH. Okay, CH3. And if I'm adding this, another group I'm adding here. That is OH group I'm adding. And CH3 I'm adding. Now, in this, I can say that this is, see, when you see this, this is the straight chain. This is the parent chain. This straight chain is the parent chain. This is parent chain. And these are branches. I can say that these are branches, and in that also the branches are also collectively we cannot say both are branches. This we can say a functional group. And this is a branch. I can say this is a branch. So we can understand that there can be, in an organic compound, there can be a straight chain, which is known as parent chain, and there can be branches. But some of the branches we will call as functional group. What are they? How are they named? And all we will see later. Okay, so this is the common way organic compound will be represented. Fine. Now we will see some of the branched compounds named. Uh, how are we going to name some branched compounds? We will see. Okay, so branched chain hydrocarbons. Say branched chain hydrocarbons. Branched chain hydrocarbons. Some examples I will show you. That is, I'm not talking about the functional group at all, only branches I will say. Okay, so this can be one example, CH, CH3, and a branch. There is a branch, I'll show you the branch, CH3. Okay, now I can say another example, that is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, and this CH branches, I can write branches, that is CH2, CH3 is a branch, another branch, where two carbon atoms are there. Okay, now I can write another carbon atom, another branch I can write as CH3. So there are two branches, here only one branch. Anyway, compound can be formed. Now, you can see that there is a straight line here. There is a straight chain hydrocarbon is the, which is known as parent. Parent. I already told you. And these are branches. All these are branches. We are not taking functional group now. First, we will study branched chain hydrocarbons. So how we can name the branches? That is derived from the parent name. That means if one carbon is the one carbon hydrocarbon name is methane. We have already studied that, isn't it? So you should know the 10th portion thoroughly. Okay, so one carbon, only one carbon is that. That hydrocarbon is CH4. It is known as, its name is methane. Now, what is the CH3? We are removing one hydrogen. So it will become CH3. This CH3 I will write with the bond because the CH3 cannot stay itself. It should be attached to another chain. That is why this bond I am showing. And this its name is methyl. That means this E will be Ne. See, Methane. A-N-E will be removed. See, A-N-E will be removed and Y-L will be added. A-N-E will be removed and Y-L will be added. Clear? That is how we are naming the branch. For example, here. What is the name of this? So here two carbons are there. When two carbons are there, that hydrocarbon is known as ethane. That is CH3, CH3. Its name is ethane. Ethane. Now one carbon is removed, it has become, one hydrogen is removed, it has become CH2, CH3, CH2. So I am removing one hydrogen, CH3, CH2. See, from this three, one hydrogen is removed. Now, what do I want? I want to put a bond here. Without bond, I cannot write because it is attached to another parent chain. Now, its name will be, how will you name this? See, how will you name this? You can name this ANE will be removed and YL should be added. So, its name will be ethyl. This is how we are naming the branch. Clear. So you should know how to name the straight chain, how to name the branch. How to name the straight chain already we know. We will just count the number of carbon and the hydrocarbons name that we have already studied. That means 1, 2, 3 carbon. 3 carbon means propane. Already we know that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon pentane, isn't it? So, that is a parent chain, that is the hydrocarbon's name only. But when it is coming to branches, we have to know how to name the branches. That is, one hydrogen is removed and a bond is added. That is branch. So, what will happen? ANE will be removed and YL will be added. So this is how we are naming the branch and the parent chain. Now, what are the actual rules of naming? Let us see once again. What is the first rule? The first rule is that we have to count. We have to count the longest chain hydrocarbon. In a compound, we will count the longest chain hydrocarbon. Longest chain. This is the first rule. uh, Longest chain hydrocarbon. So, one example we will see. CH3, CH, CH2, this is CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. In this, we can count the longest hydrocarbon. What is the longest hydrocarbon? I can say longest hydrocarbon. I can number like this. Carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 number is there in the longest carbon chain. Okay. Now you should understand one more thing. It can be like this also. See the end one you can bend anyway. I'm writing this as 1. Now, just imagine this branch I will bend like this, and this I am writing here. That means this will be bent like this. This will be written here. That means this will be bent. That also is the same compound. Now, what will you get? I will get CH3. I will get such a compound, CH3 CH. See, this C is the C. No, okay, this C is this one. So, and this CH, on this CH, this one is attached. CH3 and CH2, again the same thing. CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Here again I can count that this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. So you can see that both are same compounds. See, on the second, this is a straight chain of containing 6 carbons. This is also a straight chain containing 6 carbons. In this second carbon, one CH3 branch is there. In this also second carbon, CH3 branch is there. In this fourth carbon, one CH3 branch is there. I'm sorry, this is CH3. And here also in the fourth carbon, one CH3 branch is there. So understand that the end one can be bent. Clear? Fine. So this is how we are counting the longest chain hydrocarbon. And when we count the longest chain hydrocarbon, another example I'll tell you. More examples are needed actually. Example CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH3. So, which one is the longest hydrocarbon? If I am counting like this, if I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is wrong. Understand, it is wrong. How should I count? I should count like this. Again, once again, I am writing this CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. The same compound I am writing, then I will count it. Okay, I am counting it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the way it should be counted. See, in this 6 carbons are there in the longest chain. In this only 5 carbons are there in the longest chain. So this is wrong. Longest chain, there can be a bend here. As I told, this bend can be straightened also. And this can come here. I hope you can understand. And this is the branch. This CH3 is the branch. This is the branch. Clear? So this is the longest chain and this is the branch. So that is how longest chain hydrocarbon we are finding out. Clear? Now how can you number? Second rule. Second rule is numbering. So the longest chain should be counted in such a way that the branches get the lowest number. That is how we are going to count. Okay, so the longest chain should be counted such a way that the branches get the lowest number. Let us see the examples. Example, if I am going to write only the skeleton of the carbon skeleton. This is carbon skeleton and branches are there. I hope you can understand when I am drawing the carbon skeleton. Okay, H are there. This is for you to understand and for me to write easily. So now, how should I count this? I can count it from here and I can count one more C I'm adding. Okay, I can count it from here. The carbon, I can count it either from here or I can count it from here. How should I count? If I am counting it from here with the orange ink, I am counting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how I am counting. So what happened? The second carbon, one branch is there and the fourth carbon, one branch is there. Now if I am counting from this side, with the green pen I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can see on the fourth carbon one branch is the fifth carbon one branch is the fifth carbon one branch is the then seventh carbon another branch is the. So we have to see what the way we should count. We should count. What is the rule? See, please read this. Longest chain should be counted such a way that the branches get the lowest number. So we can understand that we should count it from the left. When we count it from the left, we are getting the branches. That is with the orange ink I am writing. 2 and where are we getting the branches? On carbon 2 and carbon 4. So 2 and 4 we are getting. But at the same time, if we are counting from the right, we are getting the branches on 5th and 7th. 5th and 7th. So which is the lowest? Lowest is this. This is the right one. This is the wrong one. Because this is the lowest. This has 5 and 7. This has 2 and 4. You can count. If only branch is there, you can only one branch is there, you can see. Two branches are there, you can just add and see. When I add this, I will get 2 plus 4, 6. Here I will get 5 plus 7. I will get 12. So 6 is the lowest. So you should count it from left to right. So this should be counted from left to right. This is a very, very important rule. Okay. Now, after that, now we have to say if 2, 3 branches are there having the same branches. Third rule. Third rule. If 2 or more identical substituent groups are there, what should be done? If 2 or more identical branches, what should be done? For example, we can write an example. We can write CH3, CH, CH3, then CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. So you can see that the branches are same, isn't it? This is the branch, CH3 branch. This is also CH3. So what should I do? I should count it. So from the beginning, we will see all the rules. That is the first rule is that we will count the longest carbon chain. That is the first rule. Second rule is that we will count it in such a way that we will get the lowest number for the branches. So actually speaking, I can count, if I'm counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And branches are on second and fourth carbon. So second and fourth carbon. If I'm counting from right to left, you will get the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 and 4. So here I can count either from both from left as well as right. Both are correct. Okay. Now, when we count this, when we have two branches which are same, what should we do? We can use di as a prefix here. Di means two. Dimethyl. We will write these branches as dimethyl. Because both are same, we will use it as dimethyl. Clear? This is for you to remember. Now we will start naming so we will understand more. So this is known as dimethyl. If three are present, it is known as trimethyl. For example, this is not the name. Okay, I'm just telling we can use dimethyl. After that, we will name. Okay, now I'm writing another one. That is CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Now you can see that three branches are there which are same. So I can write this as trimethyl. That means I can use the word tri, T-R-I, which means three. Di means two. So what are the words I can use? I will tell. If two, it is di. If three, it is tri. If 4, it is tetra. If 5, it is penta. And 6, till 6 is enough, hexa. So these are the prefixes we can use before the name. if more than one branches are there and which are same. Understand? Which are same. Okay. So using this, let us start naming first. Then we will go to the other rules. The three rules I told. So using this, let us just start naming. Example. This is one example, the first example. Okay. And this class, this UPSC is a vast portion. It will not get over in one class. So I will show you some example and I will stop the class here now. Then I will continue with the next class. More important thing is that the students should practice well with lot many examples. You will get the examples, a lot many examples are there in the NCRT book, enough example. After studying the rules properly, you can practice from the NCRT book of 11th and 12th. Now, how to name this? We will see. See, branches should get the lowest number. So I should count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is a straight chain with 5 carbons. So the parent carbon. What is the parent? Parent carbon is pentane. Pentane. Parent carbon is pentane. Now, branches are the on the second carbon. Branches on the second carbon we have CH3, one carbon. So it is methyl. On the third carbon, C2, I am writing C3. Third carbon, a branch is there, which is two carbon branch. That is ethyl. Ethyl. Okay. Now, how can you name this? We will name the branch first. And the important rule is that the first name of the IUPAC name, first alphabet of the IUPAC name should be capital. That's all. So, branches we should count. This is methyl, this is ethyl. Although ethyl is there on the third carbon, we should take it first because E is coming first in the alphabetical order. So I will write 3-ethyl, the name of this, 3-ethyl. Then I will put a hyphen and I will write 2-methyl. And one more thing, you should be careful that each alphabets and digits should be separated by a hyphen. So 3-ethyl, 2-methyl, then the parent. What is the parent? Pentane. This is the name. This is the okay, this is the name of this particular compound. So I included two rules in this. That is counting the longest carbon chain and numbering the branches so that they will get the lowest numbers. Okay. Now we will say if two are same, two branches are same, how will we name? CH3, another example, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. If I'm writing like this, I have to count in such a way that the branches will get the minimum number. For that, I should count from left. I should count from left. 1, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, on the branches, second and fourth branches, which branch is the second and fourth carbon? Which branch is the methyl branch? CH3, methyl branch is the. And the parent is having 6 carbon. So, it is a hexane. So, how will we count? And both are same. So, the third rule we should apply. So, I can write 2, comma 4. I should write here 2, comma 4. Isn't it? 2, comma 4. Put a hyphen, dimethyl. I should write here dimethyl. So 2 4, comma 4 dimethyl, then hexane. See, so instead of writing 2 methyl, 4 methyl, I am writing 2 comma 4 dimethyl hexane. This is the name of this. Okay, so today I taught you 3 rules. Now we have to study more rules. So learn this and practice a lot. I can give you some practice questions also. Try to practice this and answer this. An example, some example for practicing. You can, I will give you the simple one now because you have just started studying. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. One more thing, this CH2, CH3 can be written as C2H5 also. You should know that. These are same. C2H5. Then CH, CH3, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. I can take this. You can name this one and the second one CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH3. So this two you can practice and see. And see you with the next rules. More rules are there in the second part of this. Bye children.